Hey everyone, Set at Are You Cars. Today we've got this 2013 Nissan X-Trail. It's a 2 litre DCI Tekna. It is the 6-speed auto, 59,000 miles, 11 services, and finished in the brownish grey. It's also got the AVM system, so the aerial view cameras. It's in very nice condition. It is just the one owner from new. Facelift model. Got the 18-inch alloys, all with recent tyres. Privacy glass, keyless entry, big glass sunroof. Very, very, very nice and straight. We've also got a detachable tow bar on this one, as well as rear parking sensors, and of course the reverse camera. The reg number is there to do any checks if you wish. But yeah, super clean and tidy. Very nice. Very clean underneath as well. Some of these Nissan X-Trail, get a bit rusty, bit of surface corrosion, but this one's absolutely mint. I'll just show you inside. We've got the black leather in this one. Start with the boot. All very nice and clean. Got your load cover, your false floor, which can be removed if you want with the drawer, and your keys are there for the tow bar should you want to take it off. Also has a full-size spare wheel, but no signs of dog, no funny smells or anything like that. Inside, as I mentioned, we've got the black leather, all super clean, with rear Isofix, armrest and rear electric windows. These rear seats do recline slightly as well. Big glass roof, that is an opening sunroof as well, not just there for show. Bose audio, electric seat. Again, seats are all really nice. Minimal wear. Multi-function steering wheel, folding mirrors. Your cruise control and your audio controls on steering wheel. 59,004 miles. Let's just start the car up so you can see there's no warnings. It was serviced about 1,000 miles ago, so it's not required again yet. There you have it, there are no warnings, no, nothing untoward. We've got the navigation system. Oh, it's just loading, a bit premature there. There you have it. Oh, no, to zoom the other way. There you go, you've had a demonstration of the navigation. It is all working, look. FM AM radio, CD, auxiliary input, and then, as I mentioned earlier, we do have the aerial view camera system, and then we can also do curb view. So if you see that left image is your front near side wheel. Good camera system. Ice cold air conditioning with your climate control, your gear shifter, your all mode for the 4-wheel drive, diff locks, your heated seats, you've got high and low settings, hill descent control, cup holders in the centre. Just have a look at the wear or the lack of wear to this car as I'm talking you through it. It is super, super nice. Got your USB and auxiliary input down there. Bit of extra storage on the top of the dashboard, with your cup holders in the dash. Your big sunroof. I shan't bother showing you that opening all the way, it takes too long. But that is about it. I don't think you'll find a better example than this at the minute on the market. It is as good as they come. So please do give us a call on 01509 267 111. Don't hang about too long because these auto models usually sell pretty quickly. Thanks for watching everyone.